I want to talk now about another Neikrug finger exercise. This one, instead of finger lifting, we'll call it finger sliding. You don't run across exercises like this all that often, working on the side-to-side muscles of the fingers. So, for example, if we went, I'm in half position, just playing 0, 1, 2, 3. I know, that's lifting fingers. But the point is, that's just your model. That's your baseline. And now you want it to sound... You want it to sound as good when you cover two of those pitches with a sliding finger. And then when you go... Or... And we're going to go... 1, 1, 2, 2. And make the snappiness at which the fingers go from side to side just as crisp as you can. And when you get to third finger having to do that, and ultimately when you practice through all the fingers, Neikrug would then have you add a whole step between each of the fingers, which, I mean, it's kind of like a contortionist doing the splits or something like that. But it doesn't feel tense across the hand. Instead, it just feels like the hand has now been stretched out and is ready to do extensions, double extensions, whatever calisthenics you need it to do in order to play your repertoire. So, Neikrug's fingering exercise.